All right, well, I got a tip from my brother that there's a fantastic place for a Huckleberry shake. And can't get a Huckleberry shake everywhere. And of course, when you get a tip that there's a fantastic Huckleberry shake along your route, in this case, Highway 90, which I'm traveling on right now, I stopped and got myself a lovely Huckleberry shake. Yummy, yummy. It's good stuff. Very good. It's a nice treat. I also picked up some little bit of chocolate ice cream for later because I have a freezer, so I can put it in the freezer and have that later. And a couple pieces of brownie that I can share with some people later as well. So there's going to be a little bit of sugar in my next few days here, but I'm excited for the tip with the Huckleberry shake. It's always great that we can share that along and to our fellow travelers. So St. Regis in Montana, you can pick up off Highway 90, put it on your stop when you're traveling through, somewhere between Missoula and Coeur d'Alene, is St. Regis. Beautiful area, beautiful mountains around here, and fabulous Huckleberry milkshakes. Cheers.